Hi guys, I know it's been a while since I have made a video, so I wanted to get on today and show you a few of the things that I actually got while I was in Ireland, and it's going to be a little bit of a variety of things. Some of them were gifts and some of them I bought myself, including the clothes. So first of all, I was sent two packages from two of my favorite gals in the whole wide world who live in England. One of them is Abby from Abby with Love, and she actually sent me a bottle of Penhaligons Artemisia. Now this is absolutely a stunning fragrance, and the notes of it are ready. This is quite unique fragrance, and I got so many compliments on this fragrance when I was in Ireland. Everyone wanted to buy it. I mean, look at that bottle. It's a floral, fruity fragrance. It's really different. It's absolutely stunning and very addictive. It's got a lovely soft caramel. It's got a sweet, powdery, kind of silky dry down. There's some green apple in there, some nectarine, some violets, some lily petals, and it's got a note of jasmine tea, which I can smell. It is a beautifully blended fragrance that I am addicted to. Originally, Abby did send me a sample of this, and I sprayed it on the first time, and I thought, well, you know, it's okay, it's nice, but it's not my cup of tea. But I then put it on again and again, and the more I wore it, the more I fell in love with it, and now I'm just completely addicted to it. It's just the most stunning fragrance, and thank you so much, Abby. You are a very special and dear friend to me, and she sent this to me from England to Ireland. Moving on to another amazing content creator and dear friend of mine, who also sent me something that I had been looking for a long time. I kept asking people for it. It was a discontinued Zara fragrance, and it's this one right here, and it's a sweet pastry in Paris. Again, I have made a fairly big dent in that. I wore it a lot in Ireland, and sweet pastry in Paris is exactly what it smells like. And the amazing girl who sent this to me is Chantel Tiffany. And Chantel and I met probably about a year and a half ago. She started her channel, and I had just kind of gotten into fragrances, and I fell in love with this northern girl from the north of England. And she has this amazing accent. She is from Newcastle, and I just love her to bits. She actually was decluttering this one, and I was going to get her to actually send it to me here in Canada and pay for shipping and the whole bit. I wanted it so badly, and she actually gifted it to me and sent it to me while I was in Ireland. She sent me a bunch of other samples as well, and I'll talk about those just in a minute. Now, this one is definitely smells like you're walking on the street, you're walking past a pastry shop in Paris, and to my nose, some people say it smells like a lemon meringue pie. To my nose, it smells like a hot lemon cake just coming out of the oven, and it's absolutely stunning. It's comforting. It's lovely for this time of year, for fall, for spring. Not so much maybe for summer, but you could wear this on a summer night. Absolutely. It's soft, it's light, it's not heavy. The lemon keeps it very light. Nora loves this one, and as soon as she smelled it, she said, "Oh, Nana, you smell like lemons." So she really picks up notes now, which I'm thrilled about. Now, moving on to a couple of fragrances that I actually purchased myself. And it's Casablanca. Abby had sent me this one as a sample, And I thought at first it was a little bit too masculine for me, but again, look at the dent in that. Then I started using it more, used the sample up, and became addicted to it. So I thought I'll maybe pick one up, but they were around $50, and I didn't really want to spend $50 on the fragrance in case I got it and I kind of went off it quickly. So I found it for $31 free shipping on Amazon.ca, and I scooped it up immediately, and I've been loving it. It's very caramelly, creamy. It's a gourmand. It's to me, it's just a very comforting, lovely fragrance. Longevity is great. I'm told it's a bit of a beast, but I overspray the heck out of this. I spray it everywhere, and I don't find it overbearing at all when I overspray it. It will last you right through until you go to bed, and then I usually just top it up a little bit before I go to bed, and I put it and I sleep in it. It's that good. Another one I acquired while I was in Ireland, and this one was from my sister, and it's a Roberto Cavalli, and I think it's the original fragrance from that company. I loved it when I smelt it, and it's very fruity. And I really love the top notes of it, but I'm not keen on the dry down. I'm not sure what the notes of this one are, but it is nice. She liked it at first. It was a gift, and then she went off it, and I think I'm starting to go off it as well. So it's not one of my favorites, but I will try it again. Maybe it's not for this time of year. I'm not sure, but I can always, give it another shot, and maybe later in the spring or something I might give it another shot. But it's a nice fruity, fresh fragrance that I really enjoyed for the first couple of weeks, and then I put it on again the other day, and I was not enjoying it as much as I had when I first started wearing it. Chantel also sent me this small, I think it's probably about a 15 mil, and it's Clinique My Happy. This is lovely. Let me just spray it to remind me what it smells like. And it's called Cocoa and Cashmere. And that's exactly what it smells like. Cocoa and a warm cashmere sweater. It's got a gorgeous, it's just beautiful. Just stunning fragrance. And I've worn that a few times. I'm not sure of what the rest of the notes are, but if I think about it, I will link them down below. But this is a beautiful, beautiful little fragrance. Thank you, Chantel. I love it. She also sent me this small bottle, and I'd never heard of this company before, and it's called Unicorn Tears. And it's by Shea and Blue Light. I know Clare Smith. If you haven't seen her channel, you need to go and see Clare Smith. She is amazing. She knows her perfume better than anyone I know. But yeah, also she has one from this line of Shea and Blue. Now I'm not keen on this one, so I may see if one of my daughter-in-laws likes it. I'll just open it up and give it another spray, because you never know. I'll give it a good try. I will try it again and see if I do like it, but here we go. It's a bit thick and very air freshener smell. That's what it smells like. It smells like an air freshener. I can't explain it any other way. What's in it, I'm not even sure. If I find the notes, it's daisies, lemon blossom, honeysuckle, and petals. And I do not like honeysuckle, so that's what's in it, and it smells like an air freshener. So I doubt one of my daughters would like it, but I think I would use it as a room spray. But yeah, it would be lovely for a bathroom or a room spray. But I don't want to smell like that. I don't want to smell like honeysuckles because it's not my favorite scent. So yeah, that is a few added fragrances to my collection. As you can see, it's grown beyond 30. My bad. And there are a couple more on the way. If they arrive in the next couple of days before I put up this video, I will include them. And they were both blind buys, which I say I never am going to do again, and then I did it. They're both affordable, so I kind of justify it by that. So yeah, and I'm going to show you some of the outfits I got. I will try them on for you and hopefully bring you up to date on my travels.